What's in there now? What can you see?
Stegosaurus.
What is
A
it?
stegosaurus.
Yeah.
What's it? Okay, what's in it next?
It's Brontosaurus.
A brontosaurus.
How do you know? He knows all dinosaurs.
Now
Next time we're gonna take it to
Triceratops.
Triceratop.
At the
Yeah.
museum? Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know where we
We
can
went
get
to the-
more of these, but we'll get more.
Natural History Museum. Like a month ago, we saw dinosaurs too in New York. I swear I saw you.
Now what do you see?
Just in his face when we first walked in, they had a big T-Rex, I think, right in the main lobby.
Do you know what that one is? Do you want me to look?
Yeah.
Here, let me look. See which one it is.
Yeah, bro.
It's kind of like in the middle here. It's called a, can you read that? I can't read it. It's too small. Oh, I have my glasses.
Paraphosaurus?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to put a new one in?